Hey everyone, welcome to Investor Mentor channel. My name is Alex, and this is video I want to talk about what you can do in 2024 to create passive income. First, I would completely dismiss currency trading, bot, shading schemes, or financial pyramids, cryptocurrencies, and the stock market. Yes, even the stock market, because it's too depends on market swings and doesn't offer substantial profit for most people. Trading bots promise big returns, but often results in big losses. They are too volatile and, quite frankly, unreliable. Avoid anything that even remotely resembles a financial pyramid. As for cryptocurrency, I started investing in 2017. I made some money initially, but after trying almost all options, I ended up losing more money than I earned. I experiment with retro drops, crypto bot services, model for trading by signals, trading by charts, trust management, DCA strategy, buying altcoins, and just Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, fiat arbitrage, ICOs, IEO, pre-IDO, and much, much more. Based on all this, my experience, I'm telling you, do not start building passive income with cryptocurrency. It's not the best idea. Second, I would consider real estate investment option that fit my budget. You can invest in real estate with as little as $1,000 or as much as $1 million. I've seen many real estate investment options in various countries, including garages, parking slots, apartment, commercial real estate, land, vacation rentals, flipping strategies, and more and more. Why do I recommend real estate over other tools? Because if I can earn 20 or 80% per annum passively and achieve greater reliability, why should I use other options? Robert Kiyosaki calls it asymmetric deals, where both return and liability are high. Your property is legally registered in your name, so there is no guesswork or trust the system. It's all in black and white. Once you have secured the right property, it can generate consistent rental income that hits your bank account every month. Plus, tends to appreciate in value over time. Third, I would find investment options with maximum reliability where the property is legally registered in my name and maximum profitability. I would thoroughly check this investment before committing. Fourth, I would personally test a reliable investment tool 1-3 times to ensure it works well and provide good profit. This could be renting out a single apartment or investing in a small commercial space. The goal is to see how well it performs before scaling up. Also, if you found this video useful and want to see more like this, please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Otherwise, I might get fired, and you wouldn't want that to happen, right? Right? Fifth, I would attract investment to scale a business. The ultimate goal is to create a passive income stream that can bring in $50,000 per month plus. With real estate, this is entirely possible, but systematically reinvesting your profits and expanding your portfolio, you can achieve this level of financial freedom in a matter of years, not decades. So, that's my plan for creating passive income in 2024. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about making money, reliable investment that builds wealth over time. If you want to learn more and follow my journey as I test these strategies myself, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Let's build wealth the right way together. In this corner and this corner, you will find two videos. One where I discuss passive income and the other where I talk about debentures. Be sure to check them out and give me your feedbacks in the comments. Thank you for watching.